All right, guys, what we've got today are some products from Gmssfab. These are their Squarebody bed mount risers. Now, we raised the bed floor on my Squarebody 7 inches, so we got to come up with some new mounts to get the bed sitting where it needs to be. Now, a DIY guy can do that, no problem. There's going to be some time and material involved, and for what they charged me for all 4 of these, which was $438 shipped, I just don't want to take the time to pull off the other stuff that we got going on to get that project finished up to mess with it. So we're going to go with these. All I got to do today is just clean them up, put some round can black on them, get them ready to throw on the truck and get the bed mounted up. As you can see, they're nicely constructed. They got plenty of adjustment top and bottom, which is also going to allow us to squeeze that bed up towards the cab to kind of tighten up that gap that the Squarebody is known for. These are going to work out real well. And we are ready. Check Gmssfab out if you get a chance. They got a lot of cool stuff.